In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the can rack available from Mountain View Woodworks using no tools and only the keys provided in the kit. To begin, lay out all your pieces. Insert the bottom can floor into the bottom slot and secure using the keys provided by sliding them through the exposed hole and then shifting them in one direction to lock. Next, insert the upper can floor and secure with keys. The three windowed pieces are interchangeable. One should go in each of the remaining large slots and be secured using the keys. The small can stop goes in the very front. Now you will want to lay the can rack on its side and going slowly, working around the edges to make sure that all of the slots line up with all of the tabs, and then finish by inserting keys into all of the exposed holes.